Hey Ben, what's Mommy got? Look at this. You want to come open presents? It's from Uncle Mike and Aunt Jen? Look at this. What's it? Lily, get out of there. Lily, come on. What is it, Ben? Wow. Lily, get out of there. What's that? Scuba Man? Wow. Yeah, we can play with him in the bathtub, huh? Whoa. It's so fun. What's that? Wow. Look at that. Say Mr. Monster. Oh, look at that. Ducky, right. Ooh, present. You go open it? Okay. Here, set it on the couch. Open it.
Oh, heavy.
Yeah, it is heavy. Here, set it down and open the paper. Where are you going? Here. Okay, here. Mommy